Hello guys, good morning from Congo. Okay, we came here yesterday. I'm sure you guys have seen that vlog. We arrived here yesterday. We traveled from Cameroon. That was on Friday. We arrived Brazzaville that same Friday. We spent a night there at a hotel. That was, I think, Hotel Farast. And then yesterday now we traveled to Point Noir. So we are still currently at the hotel. Today is Sunday. We have to spend Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I think by even Wednesday. That's why we'll now move to our guest house. So, good morning. I just wanted to open this new vlog. I just cleaned my face. I don't know if this lighting is not good. Okay. So I just cleaned my face, changed my dress, cleaned baby Precious' face. So now I want to go to the reception so they can give me hot water to make her food. The time now is past 9 o'clock. She's damn hungry. So I want to go and get her water to make her food. Today is Sunday, you guys. This vlog is going to be very interesting. So please stay tuned, subscribe, because in this Congo, you guys, I'm going to give you vlogs back to back, back to back. So, yes, mama. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. Yes, mama. So you guys should subscribe and stay tuned because I'm giving you guys vlog back to back. Like I said, the other vlog was yesterday, Saturday. It's going up tomorrow, which is Monday. So this one is Sunday. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and let's start. I thought we were in the best room, but this morning they have just changed our room and they gave us one of the best rooms here. So let me show you. The bed is big, and let me show you the room tour. The bed is really big. They just cleaned the room. That's why everything is just the way it is. And then here we have this chandelier. See, so here it's really big. She's coming with a table. We have our AC here, and I have my sister. She's hiding. She's hiding. We had a bathroom. So we had our bathroom here and everything. Yeah. So this is our room. So we are going to carry our things now. Okay, my husband is coming with the table to change, and then we'll take this other one. Okay, where are you going to put the table here? At the toilet, the market. We came to buy meat, okra. There's no water leaf. In fact, I don't even know water leaf here. So we are going to prepare the area now. But today is not even the market day, since today is Sunday. So we are just going to prepare. We are changing our mind to prepare gari and granite okra. So tomorrow we are now going to look for the other ingredients. Yeah, we are done cooking. So it's time for us to eat. It's time for us to eat our delicious food. Guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. My name is Stephanie. Okay, we are still currently here in Congo, so I'm on my way to the office. So I just wanted to introduce this vlog for today, and today is Wednesday. Anyways, let me just go. I'll talk to you guys later. Baby, people are looking at me here. People are just looking at me like, who is this? You guys, I'm back from the office and I want to cook. Tripod stand. I didn't count my tripod stand. That's why I cannot really vlog like when I'm cooking. But I want to cook jollof rice. We still have arrow in the pot. We bought spinach. We made arrow. So let me show you. We made yesterday. Yummy arrow. We made arrow with gari. But now I want to eat rice. That video where I went and bought that flavored rice. So I want to prepare jollof rice. So I don't know if I'll be able to vlog it. Let's just see how it goes. This is our kitchen. I didn't also include a kitchen tour in that video. Like I said, if you want to see a full house tour, see somebody. See. We took grudge at 12 o'clock. Scatter. So if you want to see a full house tour of this our guest house, let me know. Okay, so let me get cooking. Fish, but the fish The thing has ice inside the freezer. I cannot use it again because this place does not give us any blender. The thing even has no name. We bought this blender here yesterday. The thing is already burnt. Only for me to blend garlic and ginger, even with pepper. The paste I even blend, the thing is not even order ready, but the thing has burnt already. This is, oh, they brought out a spoon. I didn't notice it yesterday. Yesterday we prepared. Paste is gone outside. So my onion, I have my tomato paste here. Paste has gone outside. Like this small girl. This small. I like curry for flavor. Eating garlic. See yourself. See you. Eating garlic. See that? Royal umbrella. Or using maybe half. I don't know. But my pot is really small. It's Irish. Four like this. It's 1,000. So you guys back in Cameroon, don't say things are expensive. I'm begging you people. Because you have not entered this country. You have not entered this country. This tomato like this small tomato is 50. Two so 100. So when I come back to Cameroon, the way I'm going to eat tomato stew, I better go. That's the goodness in the pots, cooking, boiling. That's the consistency you're looking for if you're making jollof rice. I don't want to put pepper because my daughter has to. So I now have to add in the stock. This thing has to cook again. Rice is on fire. Husband brought me bread and chocolate with sausage. I've never been a fan of sausage. Makeup. Please come and bite. Not the hotel, you know. Our hotel swimming boring. That first that's me go swimming dinner, and also swimming bowl was that soup. I'm going to add them inside, and these green peels, I always drain this water inside before using it. I don't like using the water, so I'm going to add in my rice. I don't know why it's like this, maybe the camera. So I'm just going to add in. Oh gosh, you guys, even for camera never became quality for rice. I was almost calm today. Like, okay, this guy is selling SIM cards. I said, okay, I need a SIM card. Thank God I was there with an assistant manager. I said, okay, how much is SIM card? He said 500 because I can't really speak French like that. So this assistant manager helped me and discussed with him like how much is SIM card. He said SIM card is 500 plus identification and everything because I have some people that I needed to call them. So he gave me the SIM card. He took the SIM card, registered it, asked for my ID card. I gave him my passport. When I gave him my passport, he realized that I was a foreigner. Okay, he registered the SIM card, he did everything. And then when he was about putting the SIM card in my phone, okay, I put the SIM card in my phone, this particular phone that I'm using, because it was an orange SIM card that was there, so I've removed the SIM card. So I put the SIM card in this phone. So I told him to transfer me credit for 1,000. What he did is that he asked me to create a mobile money account, and I did that. And in the mobile money account, when I created, he confirmed my password. He now went to the mobile money account. It seemed the SIM cards are on promotion. I don't know how to do their own promotion. So he bought credit from the SIM card for 500 francs. Whether he borrowed it or he did the what, I don't know. But he bought credit for 500 francs. Or it's like when you buy a SIM card, MTN gives you a particular bonus before you start using that SIM card. So this guy bought that credit, activated the credit, and gave it to me. Like, I was telling this guy, I don't have any Congo contact to call. So, okay, when he gave me the SIM card, I was like, I asked you to transfer me credit for 1,000. Have you put a credit? He said yes. I said okay. The assistant manager gave me a code that I should check if the credit is there to confirm because we don't trust people. So when I confirmed the code, it says 0 francs. And then I asked him, the code says 0 francs. How come you're saying that there's credit in my phone? He said, no, that's the credit is activated. Now when I check my mobile money, it shows that he has bought credit from mobile money for 500 francs and activated the credit. And then I was asking him now, why is the credit I said should transfer for 1,000 francs? That's how this guy was like, no, he has already put a credit. I should give it 1,500. I said, I will not give you any 1,500. I'll give you 500 francs for registering the SIM card and But for me to give you 1,000 francs for credit, which you have not transferred it, I cannot give you. This guy was talking, no, you people have to give me 1,000. And then this assistant manager was like, I cannot show us the credit. Besides, this is mobile money that is 500 francs. It's not even 1,000 francs. Show us the credit. This guy got angry. Je suis Congolais, I'm a Congolese. You people cannot do me anything. You people are foreigners. You cannot do me anything. And then this my assistant manager told him that, do you know I have the commissioner number? I will take you there. We will explain this matter there. And then he will show us that credit for 1,000 francs. And then he was like, okay, these are foreigners with a difference. At least they know the commissioner here. That's how the guy started panicking. Then initially when I gave him the 500 francs, he rejected it. Like he rejected the 500 francs. But when this argument became very hot, and I was saying that let's go to your MTN office. I was telling them, let's go to your MTN office, the nearest MTN office, so that you can show me the credit. Maybe they have sent the credit, but I have not received the message. Let's go there. This guy was just arguing. And then when this assistant manager said, let's go to the commissioner here because I have his number. I want to call the commissioner. I will hold you here. Even if you are a Congolese, I will hold you here and I will take you to the commissioner. And you will tell the commissioner about the credit. That's the guy was just bragging, I'm a Congolese. Then so when the guy, my assistant manager used a statement that I have a commissioner number, I'll call the commissioner, which is actually true because he was about doing that. Then the guy was like, the friend was telling him, okay, let's go. Like, some of these guys that are doing this MTN agents, like some of them are thieves. This thing happened to me even also when I was in Boya. There was this promo that was going on. I bought a SIM card. This guy activated the promo, but I asked him to send me extra credit. He wanted to play over my brain, and I caught him. So you guys, that's what happened. That's what happened. So I just let me share with you all. So when you're buying a SIM card that's on promotion, please just be smart and be careful. So thank you so much for watching this video. And until now, I will see you in my next video.